I've been on the road for about 8 days, 9 days. Matter of fact, I'm wearing Monday and Tuesday's underwear for the second time, so that's not good. And all my buddies say that, you know, I got to get some nudity in my videos if you want people to watch them. So I figure, what a better way to show you how you end off a fishing trip before you go home. You go for a swim in Fourth Pond. So I'm just crawling to bed now. It's 5:30, a little bit foggy this morning. Had a good night's sleep. Thankfully I didn't get wet in the tent because I didn't put the fly on it last night. But I'm going to get geared up now and head back over on the river. I thought it was a crowd of people down here this morning on the river. But I just realized that I think it's all caribou over there. These guys here want to share some of my moose breakfast. I'll give you a piece too, look. That's Harold Pelly. I was just talking to him, had a little conversation with him there down the river. He told me that he's one of 6 people left that actually runs the full Gander River and the riverboat. He said most of the people here with these boats are people with cabins here. He said they pretty much stick to the ponds. He said they won't go outside of that. That's pretty interesting to know. One time this was a way of life. He said that Gander riverboat right there can carry 1,500 pounds in 1 foot of water. It's an extremely stable boat that was designed specifically for this river. A way of life that's going by the wayside. When the water gets shallow, the boat can go in less water than the motor, so they'll pole the river. Oh, he came nice that time. Harold Pelly's in the boat with a fish on. I should have brought my gimbal, I suppose, this morning. Classic picture there. One of 6 guys left that runs the river in a Gander riverboat with a fish on Fourth Palm Bar. I guess he's planning on tagging it. Get the big old dip net out. And it's not one of the rubber catch and release dip nets either, so he's having some trouble getting them in the net. They got him. Fish in the boat. This is Petrie's. Everyone seems to be telling me that there's a lot more people fish here. I guess we'll see. There's certainly more people here than down below. Well, my list of one of the places to go this summer was Petrie's and the Gander River. And here I am. I don't know if there's all these people here because of all the fish or because it's a good place to camp, but we'll see. So apparently Petrie's is popular. I was just here fishing this pool. There's a nice flat water there, and some dude just came down and threw his anchor right in the middle of where I was fishing, but I guess he's going to fish the other side. I don't know the river, but I would think that where he's anchored to would be a good pool. No doubt he's fishing a good one. It just screwed me up. Up in Petrie's pool now. Guy got a fish on in the boat out there. There he was, gone. The salmon fishing. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this trip in the Gander River. It's somewhere that I've been meaning to come for the past few years, and I finally got around to doing it. I fished Fourth Palm Bar and Petrie's. There's a lot of people here at Petrie's. I did really well on Fourth Palm Bar. The guys are getting a few fish here. I was only here for about an hour and there was 4 fish hooks, so I mean that's not bad. Now there's a lot of people fishing there. You enjoyed my little trip of the Gander River. I've wanted to explore it for quite some time, so I did that today. I've been on the road for about 8 days, 9 days. Matter of fact, I'm wearing Monday and Tuesday's underwear for the 2nd time, so that's not good. But anyway, my trip on the Gander River here was awesome. I had some great fishing last night and this morning. Last night I released 4 fish, and included in that were 3 blue charms that are released. The fish still have. I also released my GoPro head mount and my snap mount, which was attached to it. That was a little Shimano you might have seen in the video there. Anyway, make sure if you haven't seen the trip from the Exploits River yet, you watch that. And I'm going to sign off now, but before I go, as I mentioned, I've been on the road for 8 days, and all my buddies say that, you know, I got to get some nudity in my videos if you want people to watch them. So I figure, what a better way to show you how you end off a fishing trip before you go home. You go for a swim in Fourth Pond. Here we go, everybody. All the parking spots close to the river were taken because all those guys drive great big man trucks, but my Maverick could fit between these two trees, so I didn't have to walk 10 minutes like the other people. Did you look at these little figures this morning? Look at them. Like, what do they eat when I'm not here? So folks, I'm going to do my final closing. I've done about 4 already. In case the flies eats me, I'm going to do a little vlog now. I'm going down in the river. I'm not going to film this morning because my SD card is full. I can't even brush my teeth outside. Yeah, the comment about the caribou, that's not going in the video because it was fucking seagulls floating on the water. It was just a whole lot closer to me than I thought. It's early. Jesus, me again. Nope, not caribou, not seagulls. It's fucking Javix bottles. Some kind of 4 bottles floating down the river. It looks like white jugs or something. I hope you enjoyed the adventures. Make sure you check us out on YouTube and Instagram and hit that notification button so you don't miss any of the videos. And myself and Devlin are going to be having some more as well. Cheers everybody, stay safe and tight lines.